Hi everybody, how are you guys? How's everybody? Bless you. So I'll quickly do my quick chat that I normally do this morning. Isn't it very sad that 2 days in a row now, despite the fact that a senator came out to say that his wife has helped his colleagues in the courts, and we all know his wife used to be the president of the Court of Appeal, no investigation has been made, nothing has been said about it. You know why? Because Nigeria has a culture of corruption. And corruption is a cultural thing. And this was the same woman that had to be stepped down for the Election Petition Tribunal case in 2019. And the PDP said, oh, she was tainted because she was the wife of a prominent senator. Only yesterday again, another senator was talking on TV, and he said that, yes, he gets pressured by his colleagues from time to time because his wife is an High Court judge to be able to help them, as regards court processes and things like that. He didn't explicitly state court processes, but he implied that. So it just shows that we have a country that is very corrupt, and we have a culture that is corrupt. The question I'd like to ask is, so what about people that their wives are not High Court judges? So they don't get justice, right? Because their wives are not High Court judges? Is that the kind of society we live in? And that's the reflection. So we have a culture of corruption where we are constantly saying, oh, help me to do this, help me to get this judgment in my favor at the expense of others. And that's why we don't have a fair society. I just hope this new National Assembly, led by Gospel Babio and TJ Abbas, I think they'll be able to lead and steer the cause of the nation to make laws that will frown at things like this. We're not ready to fight corruption. Everybody in high places have a judge as friend or something, and because of that, they get judgments in favor of them. And if you don't, they oppress you. So the fight against corruption is always slanted, it's always one-sided. There's no capacity, there's no oomph to fight it. And we are not ready. And once we are not ready, we can't change society, we can't build anything. Because the fight is always slanted. Hey guys, don't also forget, I'm still talking about my elderly care bill. If there's any person out there that would like to partner with me on that elderly care bill, please let me know. And if there's any lawmaker out there, I'll keep pushing it. We need a bill to be able to take care of elderly people. We need a bill to be able to ensure that elderly people get a good life. The fact that once you're over 80, insurance does not cover you, Nigeria health insurance does not cover you, then it becomes problematic. So I'm working on that bill, and it's a bill I want to push for the end of this administration, because I have had to take care of an elderly person myself, and it's not an easy thing. So an elderly care bill is it. I keep pushing this, and I want to use my influence to push this. So these are the kind of things I want to do in society. Use my influence to be able to push causes that revolutionize the course of society. I mean, if this elderly care bill is passed into law, I'll be a very happy man. Very, very happy man. Thank you.